Well, about to go out in the garden and spray everything with neem oil, so I figured I'd show you how I make it. And you might have gone to Walmart or whatever and picked up some neem oil extract, garden safe. This is junk. I don't really know what to do with it because I bought it, but it does not have what you need. This is a no-no. If you tried this and it didn't work, it's because it doesn't have the right ingredients. So I got on Amazon on some like alternate medicine, I think website was selling it, but organic neem oil. And what you want is Azadirachta or whatever that is, indica. It says it right there. Azadirachta indica. That's the ingredient you want in your neem oil, and it's cold pressed neem oil is what it's called. This is neem oil extract, and I guess it loses the Azadirachta whenever they extract it, so this is kind of just gimmicky. This is the good stuff. And just search. I searched on Amazon cold pressed neem oil, found the cheapest bottle I could find, made sure it had Azadirachta in it. This is what you want. And then this is I think it's a quart, 32 ounce bottle, so you gotta fill it up to there. It doesn't have it marked obviously like it does over here. So in 32 ounces, I fill it up to here with water. 1 to 2 teaspoons of this, about a quarter teaspoon of Dawn dish soap, or any kind of dish soap. You can find like organic dish soap if that's what you're into or whatever. But that's what I did. And then the dish soap just helps the oil disperse all the way to the bottom. So that way, if you put it in there, the oil floats on water. So you gotta have the soap in there just a little bit. Quarter teaspoon will do it. And then you can shake it up as you go. And I'll take you out there while I'm spraying. So we're out here in the garden. I got a pink brandywine right here. See, tomato. We'll just shake it up. Spray that bad boy. Boom. Neem oil. Pepper plants over here in my tire. Just spray them. And then like your bigger leaves, you want to get the top and the bottom of the leaf. So, it takes more, I guess, as the plant gets bigger. But, what I got right here, I think it's squash plant. So I'm going to go ahead and squash plants you can really get on the bottoms. It's just the way they are. They got bigger leaves. Just mist it down. You can smell it as you go. You can smell the stuff. So yeah, all the vegetables growing. It'll help keep bugs off of them. I don't know about strawberries. This is my first year growing strawberries. But cucumbers, definitely. I even do over here. Trying to get you a scenic shot. Look at that. Beautiful day. A little chilly. I had to break out my summer rose. Over here I've got raspberries. Why not? Spray them bad boys. Blackberries going right here. See, look, here's an experiment. That's one tough bug, it does not care. Ah! I don't know if it flew away because of the neem oil or because of the water, honestly. Got 2 apple trees. They're on their 2nd year here, so this should be their 3rd year. They should have been 2-year trees when I put them in. So, Japanese beetles love apple tree leaves, so. But yeah, you can smell this stuff. And then one more thing, other than vegetables, that I spray is my rose bushes. Just spray it. Something's already been eating on them, you can tell. So, get all my rose bushes and all my vegetables and stuff. Cold pressed neem oil, and it should help out keeping the bugs off of them and eating them. And do it once. I do it about, I fertilize with fish emulsion about every 7 to 10 days, and hit them with this about the same amount, 7 to 10 days. And yeah, so that's what's going on today. Y'all take it easy out there.